Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, 27th of September, Monday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into straight three major currency pair: pound dollar, euro USD, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the euro USD today, the market open, we have taken the short trade here this morning and banked beautiful pips. And after that, the New York session, we haven't seen any volatility, but if the price gonna stay, you can see a previous low was broken. If the price gonna stay above that level, then expecting a long, otherwise continue short. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let me share with you guys the for only one analysis we had it, and that was the basically after the market open. As you can see here, I explained to my trader, look for technically, we explained to my trader this the bearish flag pattern is developed based on the momentum. So we had this beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit this support level, and explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. So that was a beautiful short trade. London morning, we had a beautiful trade, and afterwards we're still waiting. You can see here, based on this analysis, we are still waiting. Let's see how the market is going to break. I'll let you know tomorrow. Okay guys, and let's move into the pound dollar trade. If you look at the pound dollar trade, we are long this morning. As you can see here, price nicely respected this level and beautiful, and we banked beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market. In intraday, we had a beautiful two analysis. So based on this 4-hour analysis here, we explained to my trader, look for the breakout trade, which you can see here, price nicely broken, and explain to my trader, if the price is going to break the previous high or this low, then we're going to take a trade accordingly. As you can see, price nicely broken this previous high. As he mentioned here, we had this beautiful price nicely respected, and as based on the momentum, as always, after the breakout, we explained to trader, just keep taking a pullback. So we have beautiful pullback, we have another wedge breakout, pullback, long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, explain to my trader it's time to bank some profit. This was the trade in the London morning session, bank amazing profit. And at the New York session, price develop another up channel, and explain to my trader, look for another pullback here. As you can see here, price nicely developed as explained to my trader. Then more likely we're going to be looking at pullback long. We can see here bullish momentum was developed. At that time, we had a beautiful pullback. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level, we explained to my trader, today is Monday, so he wasn't expecting that volatility, but managed beautiful pps on pound dollar. All right, so dollar CAD, we had a quite interesting trade, guys. We managed beautiful pips. Let me share with you dollar CAD. If you look at here, we were short at the market open from here, and as soon as the price hit to the support level, we banked some profit, and afterwards we were long, banked beautiful profit. And at the New York session, we were short. So we have taken both short, long, short. And let me show you the analysis, how I analyze this 4-hour price action in intraday and manage beautiful pips. If I show you the analysis, you can see here we had such an amazing trade today on dollar CAD. Okay, so this is the first analysis after the market open. I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. We had this beautiful breakout, and at the London morning session, as soon as the price hit to the previous low, I explained to my trader it's time to enjoying profit. So we had a beautiful short trade on dollar CAD, bank beautiful pips. And at the London morning session, I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. If the price is going to break above the previous high, as you can explain to her, and beautiful breakout, and afterwards explain to trader, just keep taking a pullback. So we have one pullback, another pullback as soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA in 4-hour 100 EMA, and that's what explaining to my trader it's time to enjoying pipping. So this was, you can see here, we have beautiful now market open, short trade, London open, long trade, and at the New York session, as you can see here, price keep respecting it. Explain to my trader, look for this breakout, because we can see here the price respected the 100 EMA and the 200 EMA in intraday system. We have breakout as always. After the breakout, one pullback, second pullback, nicely. You can see here price nicely hit to the first target and bank beautiful pips. As you can see, based on the 4-hour price action, I analyzed market both. You can see here first trade short, then long, then short. So that's what we analyze market in real time, keeping in mind on 4-hour price action, and help my traders to bank amazing profit. So I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis. All right guys, that's it. Monday we haven't seen any volatility, but we can see we managed beautiful pips. You can see one of my traders already banked 61 pips. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analysis in real time and developing your skills in real time through live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can help you to get funded from pro firms. And if you're interested how I coach and train through live intraday analysis in real time to all of my traders, most welcome. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional team member will help you and show you how you can be a successful trader and get funded. And even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoying peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.